Arun, try to prepare your tools before the class, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done.
Now look at the first square. Here we have alif connected with ba to be one word. So alif, yes, bravo. Alif can't connect, doesn't connect after. So it will be separated like what you see, okay? Then ba comes first here. So ba can connect with alif and alif can connect before. So we will connect it, okay? So this is the difference between alif at the beginning and alif at the middle or end, okay? So at the beginning, it doesn't connect. At the middle or end, it can connect. So can you write the both positions? Write both of them. Huh? Alif plus ba equal ba separated. Ba plus alif equal ba or ba connected.
Okay.
Yes.